Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another non-phone work from home job lead. We are starting this week off strong with all of the non-phone work from home job leads. I know that is what the majority of people want from reading the comments, but of course, feel free if this job lead is not for you to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Today's job lead is for those of you who want a company that is going to supply the computer equipment for you. If you want to work from home but you don't have a computer or don't have a home office setup, you need to be looking for a company that will give all of that to you, so that all that you have to have is internet access and yourself and your brain. Everyone can work from home. There should not be any barriers. So today's job lead is from the company NAC. Now this is more of a startup company. They are hiring fully remote within the United States only, and they are looking for a customer support specialist. Now customer support does not have to be tied to the phones, especially in today's technology-driven world. And that is what this is. They're looking for someone to guide customers through learning to use NAC and helping them troubleshoot any issues they have through email and their in-app messenger. So this is done all through email and messenger, no phones. You'll improve their product by gathering customer feedback and over time identifying patterns in that feedback and areas where customers are struggling and helping escalate that and address those issues. You'll advocate for the customers and work with the product team to understand what changes need to be prioritized. You'll improve the knowledge base and other support materials by writing, creating, and updating content and making suggestions for new support content that is then given to the users. And of course, you'll help improve internal support team resources, including writing canned responses and adding to their already existing internal knowledge database. So they do not require any college degree. They are looking for someone who is patient, empathetic, and enjoys working with customers. Someone who has at least 1 year experience in a customer support role for a web-based or technical product or company. They want someone who has previously provided support through email or chat. Someone who enjoys solving new problems and has excellent written communication skills. Now, of course, you will be providing support for a technical product, so they are looking for someone who is very technical and who has experienced troubleshooting technical issues in the past, like APIs, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all of those kinds of things. Now, unfortunately, they did not list the pay for this position. That is always dependent on location and experience, but they have great benefits, including they provide the top-of-the-line MacBook. So they are going to provide all the computer equipment for you, and that is going to be a MacBook. They also provide paid time off, paid corporate retreats. They offer dental, vision, health, all the things, 401k plans. And it says learning credits. They give you an annual allowance so that you can continue to take classes and grow yourself. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.